For more than a decade, our intention has been to create a different iPhone, but we can't. So we created the same thing with changes that has been copied. This is iPhone 10. Developing the not so true infinity display defines nothing but shit. Yes, some serious shit. The custom OLED panel was engineered to fold and steal all of your attention to our intro. Well, we previously removed the headphone jack. Now the home button is gone. Just gone, all gone, never coming back. A no more responsive touch reads the gestures because, come on, we need to do something. We added the wireless charging because, we're Apple. We make every old thing sound new. We have now added infrared camera and dot projector. So now you can unlock your phone with your face. We call this Face ID. Again, we make the sound new, but the technology is old. Ask the Android. This data travels in beams, but only in this video. We call this Neuro Engine. Your iPhone recognizes you, even in the dark. So when you're partying hard, it knows that you're partying hard. The new Death Cam also enables experiences like making you even more stupid with Snapchat filters. So now you can be like a drunk horse, some upset poop, or an angry chicken which is going to be on a dinner menu. Both the front and the back camera have the variety mode. So now you would spend more than 20 seconds to click a picture. Some more lighting makes you look like you are locked in a basement. On the back of the iPhone, for some change, we rotated the camera 90 degrees to make it look like we made it better, but no, we didn't. Now, we will show you some pictures that you can't click. And now, with this technology, you can play basketball with dinosaurs if you feel, but remember, they play a little unrealistic match. This is the $1K shit.